Welcome to our family gear website. I will review our home and outdoor product. I will show best and top product in Amazon. One, high-quality wooden outdoor double chase lounge. Looking for somewhere to relax in your backyard? This wooden outdoor double chaise lounge is the perfect choice. This piece is perfect for spending lazy afternoons outdoors. Plus, the wood construction ensures years of use. Don't miss out, order today. Children library furniture. This chaise lounge is perfect for those who want to enjoy the outdoors, but also have some privacy from prying eyes. The wooden exterior and dark upholstery will fit in with any type of outdoor decor you may have going on, so it's a versatile piece that can be used year-round. Not only does this chair provide comfortable lounging space for two people, but it also provides storage underneath. There are pockets on both armrests as well as a side pocket which makes storing your phone or keys easy while you relax outside. Plus, don't forget about the built-in cup holder, no more balancing drinks during long conversations out by your poolside. Children playroom furniture. 1. The sleek, modern design of this chaise lounge is perfect for any outdoor space. 2. It's made from solid wood and metal so it can withstand all the elements in your backyard. 3. This chaise can be positioned as a single or double lounger, just choose which one you need. 4. Add a little extra comfort with an optional cushion for your backrest. 2. Children's backyard furniture chair with umbrella. What's the best way to relax in the backyard on a hot summer day? Sitting back in one of our children outdoor furniture with an umbrella. Our kids love sitting in these chairs and playing games with friends, plus they're easy to move when you need more room for activities like gardening or barbecuing. With all sorts of colors and patterns to choose from that are sure to please everyone, it will be hard not find your favorite. Children library furniture. This chair is great for children, as it's lightweight and easy to move around. The umbrella helps keep the child cool during those hot summer days. It also provides protection from any sun or rain coming down on them while they're sitting outside playing. 3. Best Baby Delight Go With Me Venture Chair. The Baby Delight Go With Me Venture Chair is great for outings and travel. It's lightweight, folds up easily so it can be stored in a diaper bag or suitcase, and has an adjustable headrest to keep your baby comfortable no matter what position they're in. This chair is perfect if you are looking for a high-quality chair that can grow with your child through their toddler years, and without breaking the bank. 1. The Baby Delight Go With Me Venture Chair is the ideal travel companion for all your adventures. 2. It's lightweight and folds up easily to fit in a backpack or suitcase. 3. It has a 5-point safety harness that provides security when you're on the go. 4. This seat can be used from 6 months old until 50 pounds, so it will last through all of your adventures. 5. The fabric is soft and comfortable, making this seat ideal for any adventure. 6. With its many features, this chair is sure to make traveling easier than ever before. 7. Check out our website today for more information about the Baby Delight Go With Me Venture Chair. 4. The Best Doug Bella Butterfly Child's Outdoor Chair. The Bella Butterfly Chair is the perfect choice for your child's outdoor area. With 4 different colors to choose from, you can find a design that will suit their style and personality perfectly. It also features an easy-to-clean surface, which means it'll stay looking beautiful season after season. We recommend this summer furniture for kids. 1. Doug Bella Butterfly Children Outdoor Furniture. 2. The butterfly design is perfect for a child's bedroom or playroom. 3. This chair has been known to provide comfort and relaxation for kids of all ages. 4. It features a durable, weatherproof construction that will not rot, crack, chip, peel or fade from the elements. 5. This child-sized outdoor chair is easy to assemble and can be used indoors as well as outdoors. 6. Whether you're looking for a gift idea or want something special for your own children, this item should be considered. 5. Bamboo Shoe Bench Entryway Storage Rack. Your entryway is the first thing guests see when they come over to visit you. You want it to be welcoming and offer a place for coats, shoes, and other things your guest may need. Now you can add this shoe bench by using bamboo. This bench will help make your space look more elegant while saving valuable floor space in a small room. Plus, with its storage capacity of 4 pairs of shoes or 2 pairs of boots on each side, there's no excuse not to have somewhere for guests to put their footwear when they walk in the door. This entryway shoe storage bench is a stylish and practical solution for maximizing space in your home. It displays shoes in an attractive manner while also serving as a place to sit down when putting on or removing footwear. 6. Easy Store Junior Kid Picnic Play Table. This post will discuss the Kid Picnic Play Table, a table that is designed for kids to have fun while eating their food. This table has many features which make it easy to use and even easier for parents to clean up afterwards. The first section of this post will give you an overview of the product, then I'll provide some information on why it's great for children. You can also find out where you can purchase one. Children Outdoor Furniture, Easy Store Junior Kid Picnic Play Table is a fun and easy way to add some variety into your child's playtime. The table comes with 5 different games that are all designed for children ages 3 to 6, making it the perfect gift idea for young kids of any age. 7. Super Nice Sun and Shade Picnic Table with Umbrella. A picnic table is a great addition to any outdoor space. They are perfect for relaxing and enjoying the outdoors with friends and family. We offer our customers 2 different types of tables, an all-wood picnic table or a steel-framed picnic table with aluminum roofing for shade. Both options provide sturdy, lasting enjoyment. You can choose from a variety of colors and sizes to find the perfect picnic table for your space. If you're looking for an elegant yet functional outdoor furniture solution, look no further than our selection of sun and shade picnic tables with umbrella. These tables are designed to be used both inside and outside, so they'll fit in beautifully at any party or family gathering. Each one is made out of durable steel framing that won't rust, making them easy to clean as well as long-lasting. 8. Adorable Price Outdoor Dinosaur Chair for Kids. We all know that kids love dinosaurs and they always want to be outside as much as possible. What if we combine those 2 things? This blog post will show you how to make an outdoor dinosaur chair for your child. It's easy to find the materials, it's simple and a great way for you to spend some quality time with them this summer. If you are looking for a unique gift idea, why not give the child in your life an outdoor dinosaur chair? The kid will love this fun and exciting present. This is one of those toys that they can play with all year long. 9. Plastic Building Blocks Compatible Activity Table. Our building blocks are compatible with other sets, so you can use them in any way that you want. They come in a variety of shapes and colors, which will make it easy for your little ones to build whatever they imagine. With one side being smooth and the other side textured, these blocks will help kids develop their motor skills as well. The Plastic Building Blocks Compatible Activity Table is a great addition to any child's bedroom or playroom. It can be used for activities such as coloring, painting, and drawing, with the tabletop surface being padded so that it won't scratch children's artwork. With 2 storage drawers on either side of the table, there are plenty of places to store supplies close at hand while they work. This activity table has been designed specifically for kids aged 3 through 10 years old, which makes it perfect for your little ones. 10. Ola Kids Picnic Table. This post discusses the pros and cons of a picnic table with a market umbrella. It also includes tables that may be used as substitutes for this type of furniture if it's not desired. The main advantages are listed first, followed by the disadvantages in order to offer an unbiased view on the topic. Children Outdoor Furniture, find your perfect outdoor furniture set with our picnic table with market umbrella. Ideas for the conclusion of this blog post are limited to what is written in the main points section. Standard benefits. Use this table for outdoor activities like picnics or barbecues. The umbrella protects from the sun and rain. Emotional benefits. Spend time with friends and family outside on a nice day, enjoying life. A new take on the classic picnic table, our versatile benches offer a natural wood grain look and color that will blend in with your outdoor furniture. The center hole is designed to hold an included market umbrella. Children Outdoor Furniture, making it perfect for any backyard space. With its compact design, these benches can be assembled once then folded, moved or stored anywhere you need them, even hanging easily on a wall when not in use.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share our familygear.com.